Want a smooth, shining, and glowing body? Feet like this, neck like this, back like this, hands like this, legs like this, underarm like this. Here is the step-by-step guide to make this strawberry body scrub. For smooth, shining, and glowing skin, take an empty jar. Add sugar cane, freeze-dried strawberry body wash, coconut oil, vanilla bean paste, essential oil. Mixed it. Coconut oil makes a wonderful moisturizer for your legs, arms, and elbows. Essential oils can help relax the body, help you sleep, reduce headaches, and enhance massage therapy. Use a gentle body cleanser or body wash to cleanse your skin thoroughly. Vanilla has anti-inflammatory properties, which can help to soothe and calm irritated skin. Strawberries help protect your skin from sun damage. It also helps remove dark spots and tan caused by sun exposure. Besides keeping pores clean, sugar scrubs remove dry, dead skin to keep your complexion soft and smooth.